beauties, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. So in today's video I have a new package for you. Okay, I have something that would help you so much when it comes to eye problem. Are you actually having an issues with your eye, like all of those eye problems, eye infections and all of that stuff? So I have something very easy, and try it. Okay, you're not going to be regretting it. It's actually very suitable for everybody, and if you can get all of the ingredients, it is superb. Okay, so let me take you right into this video, but don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let's go. So this is actually what you need for your eye problem. Yeah, this is sweet potato. Now there's difference between just Irish potato and sweet potato. Yeah, so you have to go get to the market and then you get sweet potato. Okay, sweet potato is what you'll be needing for this ingredient. Yeah, so to have or to cure any eye problem, you're gonna be needing sweet potato. Now let me show you how you're gonna be using this. Yeah, it's actually very simple. Okay, so the first thing you do is to peel. Now sweet potato is usually very difficult to peel because it has this ingredient in it that actually makes it really difficult to peel. But unlike Irish potato, which is very easy to peel. Now this potato has a lot of sweetness in it, and you can basically just eat it that way without even using anything. So after you've peeled this, then you have to be cutting it in pieces. And then you're going to be needing to wash it. You wash it really clean. And then you would have to be transferring it into a pot. Okay, so I'm going to be putting it into this bowl because I'll be taking it to the kitchen to transfer it into a pot. This into a pot, you would have to put in water to be able to boil it. Yeah, and you're going to be boiling this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, it depending on the strength of your fire. Okay, you boil it for it to be very soft. Okay guys, so after I boiled the sweet potato, what you do is that you're gonna be getting a clean plate, and then you would have to be cutting it in cubes to the sizes in which can get into your mouth without choking, because when you're eating sweet potato, you have to take it little at a time because it is actually dry, and you have to use water or juice while eating the sweet potato. Okay guys, so this is what I can take at a go. And yeah guys, sweet potato is one ingredient that is actually very sweet. When you cultivate the habit of eating sweet potato just like this with a sauce, you can actually make any sauce of your choice, like egg sauce, chicken sauce, tomato sauce or vegetable sauce. or stew sauce. You can actually eat it. Yeah, this is edible. You just take one and then you would have to put in your sauce and eat. Now when you cultivate the habit of eating sweet potato, you are going to be reversing your eye problem. If you're having redness or if you're having any eye problem, like this sweet potato is going to help you to reverse it. Okay, now let me show you a juice that you're going to go along with this sweet potato that also helps you in curing any eye problem whatsoever. Now the first ingredient is carrot. Now carrot is very helpful for the body and it's also very helpful for the skin because it contains numerous ingredients that helps your skin glow, and it also gives you the nutrients that you need internally. Now taking it alongside with this other natural ingredients that I'm going to be showing you would help you to cure any eye problem, guys. This is actually very simple. You'll be like, are you sure? Yes, I am sure. Okay, you can read up about it. It's actually very, very helpful. Yes, and then you cut it. You will have to sanitize it. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is that you're going to transfer the carrots into the blender, and then you would have to be adding up water. Now preferably warm water. Okay, so this is actually a warm water and this is it. Now the next ingredient you're going to be needing is orange. Now orange is loaded with numerous benefits and it's very important for the eyes and for the sight, and it helps also to cure any eye problem. When you're consistent in taking orange alongside with carrots, you are not going to be having any eye problem. Like all of your eye problem is going to be solved. Yeah, the orange, removing the seed, and then squeezing the juice into the carrots and a little bit of water, preferably warm water. So after squeezing it in, I'm going to go blend it. Okay, so after that you're going to be needing a cup, and yeah guys, you're not going to be sieving it, so you have to blend it, let it be very, very blended, and here you have it. Yeah, so you would have to get your sweet potato with a sauce. Like this is just a breakfast basically, but this is a breakfast that comes with treatment. By treating your eye problem, if you have any eye problem resulting to your redness, mention them. There are so many different types of eye problem. So you drink this. So for this, you can actually take it every day. If you take this every day, morning and night, you're going to be loving your skin first and your eyesight, and also you have to reduce some of those habits like smoking. Well, okay, if you smoke, reduce it, and then you take this And this basically, it's actually a food and it's very healthy. And so that's it. Have you seen it? Can you try it? It's something you know already. Okay, so go try this out, and I'm sure it's going to be a savior to you. If you're actually suffering from any of those things, go try this out. I am super duper sure that you are going to be loving it, because the thing is that whatever we actually take inside actually reflects in our body, and give us that glow, give us that beauty. Yeah, and it heals us of any illness, definitely. So try this out and let me know how it is, and how it has affected your eye positively. Yeah, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up to my YouTube channel, subscribe, and then share the video, and I'll come your way again. See ya and ciao.